Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've flipped another account. As you can see, I've made over $200 in a day, guys, using this simple system. It automatically analyzes the market for you. All you have to do is you have to follow the signals. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button now. And if you want to know more about trading, just click the link in the description and it will lead you to our mentorship group. Everything is done for free, and I'm going to take you step by step so that you see how our system works. Okay guys, so this is our chart. First and foremost, when you want to trade using this system, all you have to do is you have to use top to down analysis. So the first stage is we are going to open H1 time frame, which is the hourly time frame. So I'm going to open H1 time frame like this, as you can see. So as you can see, this is what's happening now, guys. So we can all see that it has to go down until it reaches this node 10 number 5. But right now it has reached this red line. So when it reaches the red line, it simply means that it can retrace a bit, because these lines only pop up to show that there's resistance around that area. So here we can all see that we have very good sell candles. We call them three soldiers. So when you see this kind of candlesticks, it means the market moved impulsively, as you can see, but it can also retrace. So this is not a good time for you to enter a sale. You have to wait for the right confirmation. So how are you going to do that? You now have to move to a smaller time frame so that you can see whether it's still selling or it's now buying. So we are going to move on to 5 minutes time frame. This is our M5. As you can see here, there's a very good channel. I think you can all see it, guys. We have a very good channel here. I'm just gonna try to make it look simple like this. So usually the market moves in form of a channel, like what was happening here. And as you can see, there was a huge drop. So for you to enter a buy now is not easy, because the market does not just turn. It has to consolidate. For example, what happened here, then moved. So it has to consolidate first. You have to wait for it to start consolidating. Then you start looking maybe for buying position. So this was our signal. You can see that it's now a sell entry, which was confirmed by the system on 5 minutes time frame. So here it reached those two blue lines. Those lines are plotted to show you the areas with a very huge resistance. For instance, here there are two lines. So this is a sign that the market was going to drop, right? So you would just enter around this area with a small lot size, but you would start to add positions as it goes down. For instance, if it gives you this sell entry, that is when you add your sell positions and you hold until it reaches the node. So in a nutshell, this is our TP on basing on 5 minutes time frame. So you can also use this system to trade boom and crash. So you can check boom and crash. Maybe you can start with boom 1000. Boom 1000. This is what's happening on boom 1000. As you can see, signals were given. Then you also have this platform whereby it will be showing you where the market is going. Okay. For instance, here there's an arrow going downwards. It means boom 1000 can go down for a while, right? But right now it has reached this blue line, which is a sign that the market can retrace a bit. So these lines are only plotted to show you that there's a higher risk of getting spikes around that area. So in a nutshell, we're saying boom 1000 can spike on this blue line. So before you start catching spikes, you have to take note of this line. If this line is red, avoid catching spikes, because the market will be going down. So the easiest way is to try to catch spikes when this line is green. But I prefer trading on M5, especially when I want to enter my trade. I enter using M5, then If I want to monitor it, that is when I will go to M1 so that I know when to take my profit. For instance, if you were selling here, this would be your time to take your profit because it has reached this node return number 5. So you have to use the system correctly. You are most likely to enjoy the profit. So we can also check boom 900. Can you see this line is red? And look what's happening, guys. The market is still going down. So this is what I was saying. If you want to trade ticks, make sure that you are following this line. If it's crash, this line should be green. But if it's boom, this line should be red so that you can trade your ticks. For instance, here, imagine if you had entered here, then you would enjoy all these profits, or even here, you'd enjoy all those profits. Okay, so we are now moving on to Boom 600. This is Boom 600, guys, and we can all see that we have a buy signal here. So in a nutshell, we're saying Boom 600 is a higher possibility of getting a spike. So what you do is you wait for it to retrace a bit to this node. When it reaches this node, that is when you enter your buy position, but you start with a very small lot size. That is how you trade these indices. It's very easy to trade, guys. If you want to learn how to trade forex, you can contact me. I teach people how to trade for free. The number is in my bio, and if you want to join the link, just look for the link in the description of this video, then you click it and join us so that we can make money together. It's very simple, and we will be using this system together so that we get better entries.